We have the Apple iPhone 12 mini and the Apple iPhone 12 mini leather case. We're going to unbox it and see if it's any good. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing experience of the iPhone 12 mini leather case. This is the blue version, or as Apple calls it, Baltic blue. Let's go ahead and slide this right out. And we see there the Baltic blue leather case for the iPhone 12 mini. This is pretty much the same leather case for all the iPhone 12 models. The only difference being the size of the case, but you can expect the same thing from all the other different versions of the leather case for the other iPhone 12 models. So it's a nice leather texture on the case, metal buttons, which is nice. Inside we can see the MagSafe circle, so there's magnets built into this case, so you can use all of Apple's MagSafe accessories as you would expect. And just paperwork inside as well, and that's pretty much it. That's all that comes inside the iPhone 12 mini leather case box. All you get for $60 is the case and some paperwork. But is the case worth $60? Well, I'm a big fan of leather cases, and Apple makes really nice leather cases for their iPhones. We'll go ahead and put the iPhone 12 mini inside. And you can see as soon as you put on this case for the iPhone 12 mini, there is this little animation that pops up on the screen telling you that you have a MagSafe accessory. So let's take a look at that one more time. And it even gives you the color that the accessory comes in. So this is the Baltic blue. It gave you a Baltic blue ring. And it feels really nice. What you would expect from an Apple made accessory or Apple made case. Nice leather. We can also see now with these new leather cases, there's this metal ring around the cameras now. So it gives that extra protection around the cameras, and it's a nice feeling case. And there you go. That's just a quick look of the iPhone 12 mini leather case. You can expect pretty much the same thing from the other leather cases for the other models, just different sizes. But let me know what you think. Is $60 too much for this Apple made leather case for the iPhone? Let me know with a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.